probably one of my favorite products, and I threw this in because a lot of you guys have been with us, is I love the Counting Sheep Linen and Room Spray. Now, for a bedtime routine, I like the same routine every night. I'm sure you all kind of have your routine. What I like to do is, if you can spritz the pillow right before you go to bed, or if your routine is in the week when you change your sheets, that you're gonna spritz the pillows here, and that kind of gets your routine. You know, routines help you relax. And not only that, but it has the lavender in it. So this is something now, I think also, like I said, I think it's probably something that you could introduce in with your customers coming up this fall, just coming in and saying we're starting a new season, if we're starting school back or whatnot, and let's try and introduce the relaxing lavender. And of course it has baby girl's mama sugar on the front, so what's cuter than that? So this is something too. I think that the sprays are a simple thing, and customers love that bottle of spray is going to last for such a long time. So, and you can also use it as a room spray. So don't limit yourself to just a bedtime linen spray. You can use it as a room spray as well.